Hello, fellow scholars of YouTube. Today we're going to be talking about genes and gene mutations specifically. Now, what is a gene mutation? I've illustrated here an example of a gene mutation in a different color than this white, which is red here. And so, a gene mutation is a permanent change in the sequences of bases within a gene. What does this mean? I mean that it cannot be rechanged, and let's take a look at some of the causes later. Well, let's understand the nature of mutations. Mutations essentially are, if they're in non-somatic cells, those are your sex cells, they're going to be passed on to subsequent generations. These mutations, if your mutations are in somatic cells, that is in your body cells, then it can lead to development of cancer, probably it could do, and other related malfunctions. So, what are the causes of these mutations, you might ask? Wait, rather, I should write down the name of this. Gene mutation. Mutation. I guess I'm not so fast typing. There you go. And so, one of the main causes of genes of these mutations is simply the errors in replication. So errors in replication. I'm going to simplify this down to errors, but of course you know that I mean errors in replication. There we go. So got a point there. And another reason is because of mutagens, which are environmental influences such as radiation, UV light, and chemicals, or transposons, which are in essence jumping genes can move on to new locations and disrupt sequences. What does this all mean? Well, first I should write this down. And different colors would be great. So we have transposons last. I'm going to do this in weird orders. Transposons. And of course my handwriting on a computer program isn't very legible. I apologize. And mutagens. There we go. Alright. So what I want you to take from this video is that these things called mutations, which are largely caused by error in replication, can lead to some devastating effects such as cancer, development of cancer if it's in somatic cells, and if it's in non-somatic cells, it can be passed down to further generations. So, see you, I guess.